Lion sounds meow. Dog sounds how how. Cow sounds moo. Horse sounds meh. I am Lamar. The different sounds. Car, beep, beep, beep. Cat, meow, meow. Clap your hand. Baby crying. Thank you. Hello, my friends. Come learn with me about some animal sounds. Cow, frog, crop. Elephant, lion, row. Snake, bee, buzz, buzz. Cockroach. Hello, teacher. My name is Leon. I do like the sound cat meow. Dog how. Cow moo. Doorbell. And then goodbye, teacher. Assalamu alaikum. I will imitate the sound. Horse meow meow. Cat meow meow. Baby cry meow meow meow. Sound train toot 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 toot. School bell. Hi, my name is Shadan. I call you an animal song. Cat meow. Cat meow. Cat meow. Cool. Rest. Coo. Rest. Coo. Moo. Cool. Moo. Hi, teacher. I am Noor. Imitate sound. Our sound. Tick tock. Tick tock. Sound. Sound.